to show you how to play Does Jesus Care? It's an old gospel hymn from the very beginning of the 20th century. If you want the letter notes for that, go to LetterNotePlayer.com. I have them there for you. Let's start with that melody. We're in the key of D flat, so D flat has 5 flats. So all 5 of the black keys are represented. That means for the most part you only have 2 white keys that you have to worry about playing, F and C. So even though there's a lot of black keys involved, D flat is a pretty easy key to play in because you're almost always playing black keys. Now let's start with the melody. So we've got A flat, F, E flat, D flat, B flat, A flat, G flat, F, F, E flat, D. There's an accidental, there's a D natural right there. F, E flat, D, E flat, A flat, G flat, F, F, G flat, A flat, D flat, F, F, E flat, B flat, B flat, A flat, F, A flat, G flat, E flat, D flat. In that refrain chorus, D flat, C, G flat, C, E flat, D flat, F, A flat, F, E flat, C, B flat, F, G, A flat. And there's a G natural right there. So there are a couple little accidentals that are thrown in, but other than that, you've just got F and C that are the white notes, and the black notes are, all the other black keys are black notes. C, C, D flat, E flat, D flat, A flat, F, E flat, B flat, D flat, C, B flat, A flat, D flat, F, E flat, D flat. So of course if you just want to play the melody, you can play that with your right hand. Now we'll get, for the introduction, I'm just going to give you a 5-7 in D flat. Now 5-7 would be an A flat chord with a G flat 7th right there. So you got, so I'm going to play A flat, E flat, A flat, open 5th, open 4th in the left hand, and then come right out of it with C, E flat, G flat, A flat. So there's your G flat. You can either sustain that G flat or you can let it go when you come up. There's your intro. Just play that 5-7 chord as an arpeggio. And then we go right into the melody. See, that leads you right up there. And your first note, your first melody note is an A flat. Then we've got a D flat, A flat. So just an open 5th, D flat. Then we'll do that again with D flat and the F and the A flat. Then we'll go to an A flat 7th. And back to the D flat. Now this time we're going to arpeggiate the whole chord. D flat, F, A flat, D flat. So together. So what I like to do is I like to hold back on pickup notes a little bit, just a tiny bit, to make the listener want to hear the song go on. So we come out of that, and we hold this. There's your D flat, F, and A flat. Now here's your A flat 7. And then we arpeggiate the chord. This time we're going to play a G flat, D flat, G flat. So what you've got right there, you've got this, that sound in there because you've got the D flat, you've got the G flat, D flat, and you've got an E flat in the melody right there. Then we add that. So we've got either a G flat with the added 6th or an E flat minor 7th. Either way you want to look at it there. But I'm going to play the G flat in the bass. And there we go with the 7th chord, A flat, E flat, G flat. Now we could play an A, C, E, G flat. But I like the sound of the A flat, E flat, G flat. And up here we're going A flat, G flat, E flat. So we're doing the same notes but just in reverse order. So you've got the D flat as the pickup to that refrain chorus. Now what I'm going to do on the left hand is just an E flat, A flat, then a D flat, A flat, then an E flat, G, and then an A flat, F, E flat, F, G flat. So we're just going to open fourth, E flat, A flat, then open fifth, D flat, A flat, then an E flat with the third, G, E flat, G, and then to the A flat chord, with adding a little sixth, walking up with it through the sixth right there, through a passing tone. We're just going to go in the left hand D, F, A flat, down to G. Now we could go down right there, but I like to go closer harmony right here. So you come up to the G flat, then open it up. By sliding up to the G flat and the B flat, we go from a 1 chord to a 4 chord and back to the 1 chord. And then we just repeat that last phrase and arpeggiate the bass very slowly as a tag. Now play all three, the whole triad plus the octave, so it's 4 notes in the left hand. Just arpeggiate with the F, A flat, D flat, F, A flat, D flat. If you want to roll a chord, you can, but I like the arpeggio. There you have it. Does Jesus Care in the key of D flat?